Spring is a great time for house painting because you need warm weather to apply paint, but it's not hot enough yet to make it miserable. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. After the break, we'll talk about a simple trick to simplify paint projects right after this. How would you like to win a zero-turn mower just for sitting down? Enter the Toro Sit to Win sweepstakes. Visit your local Toro dealer, take a seat on a zero-turn mower with My Ride, and snap a photo of yourself. Submit your photo at toro.com/sit-to-win for a chance to win a Toro Time Cutter MX zero-turn mower with My Ride. It's just that easy. Check out all the details at toro.com/sit-to-win. One of the biggest hassles with painting is working around those crusty bits of paint that inevitably wind up inside the paint can after you use it a time or two. To avoid them, try this. When you buy a new gallon of paint, clean the inside of the lid to remove the paint from having the can shaken at the store. After that, always stir the paint instead of shaking it. This keeps paint from drying on the inside of the lid where there's air on the top of the can. Before you seal the paint, lay a plastic shopping bag over the can before tapping down the lid. This way, if any paint collects around the rim, you can toss it out with the plastic bag the next time you open the can. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.